right? Curtis,
Tell us how you feeling, Curtis.
you gonna watch me work out?
Curtis gonna work out as well. He's gonna do some steps. Then from there, he's gonna do some sit-ups and some push-ups.
Hello my chat partners, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel, and to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. So guys, first things first, let me apologize. You can hear a lot of noise in the background. My husband is upstairs vacuuming. However, I'm getting ready to go outside and do a workout. Today's workout, guys, is going to be Instagram inspired, so I'm going to say Instagram made me do it. So yeah guys, I'm on Instagram and I actually see a lot of little workout videos that you can do, and it has how many times you do it and how many sets. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my own spin to it. I have my weights here. I also have the jump rope, and I also have some earbuds so I can listen to some music that I'm getting ready to put on. So yeah guys, so it's Sunday morning. It is currently 10:01 and it is 78 degrees outside. So I was like, you know what, Dionne, get yourself together and get up and do some exercise. And do some exercise outside, getting you some fresh air, and just in nature, getting that natural vitamin D. You know, the thing about working out, guys, you gotta just do it when you want to, not when someone else wants you to or when someone else suggests it. I feel like working out, you have to be mentally prepared, you have to be focused, and you just have to be in the mood to work out. Especially if you're someone like me who's not like a workout guru, while I just live in the gym. That's something I don't do. And however, I am a work in progress, and this is a part of my weight loss journey. If you are new to my channel, I am 45 years old. Oh, indifferent, whatever shape you are in, it's always good to work out. And that is something that I have been working on to incorporate into my daily life. However, like I said, it's something that you have to do and want to do for yourself. Whenever you're exercising, you're healing the body, and you have to have a calm mind, and you have to have positive energy around you. And it has to be something that you want to do for within yourself, because when you do that, you'll be focused and you'll do it, and you won't be being forced to do that. So it's all a part of self-care. It's all a part of mental health as well. And just working out heals the mind, body, and soul, and you want it to be one. So when you are in the mood to work out and you be like, you know what, today I'm going to take the time to take care of me and do some exercises. Now, if you exercise for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, however long you do it, just go out and do some type of exercise. And do it for exercises that I'm going to do. It's something that I found on Instagram. One here, like when you scroll over, this is another exercise. So guys, this is a fasted cardio. I haven't eaten any breakfast. I haven't had any water or anything. So that means when you do fasted cardio, it means when you work out first and then you eat. And I have my hibiscus tropical. It's not hibiscus. And I have my tropical ginger beer, guys. I love these things. They're really, really small. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in the refrigerator, because I know I'm going to want some of this later on today so they can get real, real cold. That's going to be my treat to myself. foot, elbow, foot, elbow, foot. Yep. Okay, my chat partner, so here's my breakfast for this morning. Eggs with stewed tomatoes. And what I did was I just cut up some tomatoes and let it saute and stew for a little while, and then added some eggs and some vegan cheese. And I also have some blackberries. And like I always say, guys, make sure you eat you some fresh fruit each and every day if possible. Fresh vegetables as well. And I also have this Mountain Valley spring water that I'm going to drink with my breakfast while I'm eating. Okay, my chat partners, it is currently 11:16 and I'm sweating like just sweating. So I'm getting ready to enjoy my breakfast that I just cooked. I showed you guys. I really do hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Let me go ahead on and take my glasses off because they keep sliding down. So Instagram is good to use, not just to compare yourself or try this product. I mean, it's nothing wrong with trying different products or, you know, seeing what the latest fashions is, or most of the time people use Instagram for the latest gossip or whatever the case may be. However, Instagram can be used to find workouts because, guys, at the end of the day, we really, truly need to take better care of ourselves and work out and exercise. And that's something that I'm really passionate about and something that I have to motivate myself more. However, it is in my thought process as far as getting myself together and being a better Dionne. I'm currently in therapy. I'm using my iPad now because my storage ran out on my cell phone. Either way, like I was saying, just use Instagram for the best of your ability as far as working on exercise, and you can find different programs or different exercises or just do different things, working out each day. And you can just change it up a little bit like I did. I added fun to it. I made it fun for me. What I did was I listened to certain music that gets me in the mood. And I did a little dance because I am a Zumba instructor, so I incorporated a little bit of that in there. You know, just to have fun, to get myself motivated, get myself pumped up. So guys, I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you are not subscribed to my channel, Dionne's Life, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can receive alerts for each and every time I upload, and become a chat partner. Guys, I will be bringing more workout videos to you all, and just bringing you guys along on my weight loss journey. Thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. Also comment down below and let me know if it's some exercises that you want to do and we can do them together. Just let me know. I'm wishing you all out there a peace of mind, because what? A peace of mind is one of the greatest things in the world. Always remember that you guys are great. And as always, take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys. So I'm going to eat and go take a shower. Peace.